This video looks at 4 typical algebraic skills. Now the first one is to expand a pair of double brackets. Now there's lots of methods for this, but I tend to use what I call the smiley face method. Now then, p times p is p squared. 9 times p is 9p. P times minus 4 is minus 4p, and 9 times minus 4 is minus 36. This can then be simplified because p squared, 9p take 4p is 5p, take away 36. So that there is the final answer. In part B, we're asked to solve an equation. Now to solve this, we first of all times up by 3. So we times both the 4w and the 2 by 3. So 5w take away 8 equals 12w plus 6. I will then rewrite this the other way around. That is just my preferred way of solving this type of equation. So I put the most number of w's on the left hand side. I now take away 5w from both sides. So I get 7w plus 6 equals minus 8. I then take 6 from both sides. So 7w equals minus 14. And then divide by 7. So w equals minus 2. And that is the solution to the given equation. In part C, we're asked to factorise, which means put back into brackets. Now this is a special case. It's called the difference of two squares. That's a square, that's x squared. That's also a square, that's 7 squared, and there's a difference. Now this factorising comes in a double bracket, and it's x plus 7 and x minus 7. The reason being, we have an x squared, 7x takes 7x gives no x's, but 7 times minus 7 is minus 49. In part D, we're asked to simplify the given expression. Now this means we must find each of these terms to the power of a half. Now I can write this as 9 to the power of a half, x to the power of 8 to the power of a half, and y cubed to the power of a half. Now 9 to the power of a half is actually 3 because this means find the square root of 9. However, when we've got powers to another power, there's a rule which is to times together the two powers. So 8 times a half is 4. So that goes to x to the power of 4. And 3 times a half is 1.5 or 3 over 2. So that goes to y to the power of 3 over 2. I prefer the fraction way. And that is the given expression simplified.